Most banana bread turns dry because of one mistake. This is how to get soft, most banana bread every time. The first thing is your banana. Then you put the banana in the bowl. Make sure the banana is very ripe, but in case your banana is not too ripe, you have to add brown sugar. So now we have to just mash the banana very well. Here you can use your fork or your spoon to mash it properly. Now we are going to add our brown sugar. For this brown sugar, I use 2 tablespoons of sugar. For this brown sugar is actually optional because my banana is not very ripe. That is why I'm using brown sugar. But if your banana is very ripe, you don't need brown sugar. It's just to enhance the taste and the flavor, to give it that very ripe banana. For the butter mix, it's best to use unsalted butter. I use 150 gram of butter. Then I use 130 gram of white sugar, 130 gram of brown sugar. This sugar is actually to your taste. If you want it to be very sweet, you can add more, and if you don't really like sugary things, you can reduce the sugar. Then you have to mix it together with your, is either you use your spatula or your spoon, or you go with your mixer. Then you add your egg. For these 2 loaves, I used 4 large eggs. Then you have to break it once at a time, so in case you mistakenly add the shell. Now you have to mix together. You have to mix until it is smooth. Yeah, you can use your hand too or your spatula to mix. You have to mix very well to it smooth. It should probably take let's say 2 minutes or 5 minutes max. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, please drop a comment. Now these are banana mix, which is banana and brown sugar. Now we're going to add vanilla essence. Then I go with my sour cream. This sour cream is just to make it more moist. If you don't have sour cream, you can go with your Greek yogurt. Then you mix together. It helps to give it a very good mix. These are butter mix. Now we are going to turn in the banana mix into the butter mix. Now we just have to stir together. You have to give it a very good mix. You have to stir together with just spoon. You can use your mixer, and then we go in with our flour. For this flour, I use 440 grams of all-purpose flour. Then I added my baking powder. For this baking powder, I used 4 teaspoons. Then I go in with my baking powder, which is half teaspoon. This baking powder soda is just to lift it. Then I added my cinnamon powder, and I added salt. Then you give it a very good mix. You mix it together properly. While giving it a very good mix, I want you to preheat your oven to 176 degrees Celsius or 175 degrees Celsius. You should do that for 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a good mix. Then you have to let it stay for about 5 minutes. Then you give it a good mix again. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, please drop a comment. Thank you. Then for the pan, you have to butter it. Then you add your baking sheet. Then you also butter your baking sheet, so it will be easy for you to pull the banana bread out once it is done. You can use your oil, olive oil, vegetable oil instead of the butter. Just something to grease the pan. Now we're going to add our butter into the pan. You can see that our batter is not that watery and it's not that thick. Just shake it together so there's no space for air. You just have to give it a line. Then our coconut flakes. For these toppings, you can go in with almond, cashew nuts. You can go in with any kind of nut you want, but for me, I just love my coconut flakes because of the flavor it gives. And this is my second pan, and for the second pan I use a Pullman loaf pan. Now my banana bread is ready. I make the best banana bread in the UK. Just look at that brown banana bread. Not just that it looks good, it tastes good. Like, it tastes good. I need you to try this recipe. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think of. You can share your videos with me, you can tag me. Just let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you need any assistance or you need anything, please just chat out to me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, anywhere. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Guys, please like my video. It's going to go a long way for me because this is a new channel. I'm just starting up. Please drop a comment and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Until the next video. Bye bye.